Should you switch from manual to digital continued process verification? Maybe. Let's compare the key differences. Manual CPV relies on human observation and experience, making it time-consuming and resource-intensive. Digital CPV streamlines the process with automated data collection and multivariate analysis, reducing subjectivity in risk assessments. Manual CPV relies on full-scale batches, limiting flexibility and focusing only on optimization and reproducibility. Digital CPV runs continuously, adapts within the design space, and strengthens control strategies for a more robust process. But what's the biggest difference between these approaches? Manual CPV relies on batch-based data, restricting quality control to intermediate checkpoints and end testing. Digital CPV provides real-time, relevant data, ensuring optimal product performance through proactive quality management. So, why stick with manual CPV when it's time-consuming, reactive, and only alerts you to problems after they occur? Not exactly ideal, right? Digital CPV changes everything. Automatic, predictive, and proactive. It detects potential issues early, giving you time to act long before they escalate. Want to know how digital CPV is helping companies avoid the pitfalls of a PQR? Check out our industry insight on avoiding the pitfalls of a PQR to find out.